Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and clicking on Sounds and Vibration right away. Following that, scroll down and click on Vibration and Haptics. Now you can click on this switcher at the top next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also manage all of those options. Like, for example, haptic feedback for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, touches, and even media. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!